If evenly spaced seams are desired on an outdoor kitchen with an exposed back, equal back panels can be used in place of standard back panels. Equal back panels are available with and without vents, but an outdoor kitchen featuring a cooking appliance cabinet must include vents on every equal back panel to ensure proper airflow. Galvanized back panels come pre-installed on the cabinet backs and are used in conjunction with equal back panels. First, start from one end and work your way to the other end. Line up the top and bottom tabs on the equal back panel with the top and bottom slots on the galvanized back panel. Choose the farthest tabs on each side of the equal back panel on the top and bottom that aligns with the slots and mark them. Bend the marked tabs using a metal punch or similar tool and lower the tabs into the slots so that the back panels attach. Do the same thing with the next equal back panel and continue to do this until all of the panels are attached. Press the plastic tubing into the spaces in between the top of the panel and the bottom of the countertop for additional stability. The installed equal back panels leave your outdoor kitchen with a clean, symmetrical look that enhances the overall design of the space.